Welcome everyone. In this video, let's look into how we can generate a 2D drawing for your custom models. See, generally designers use custom model majorly on these three scenarios. Scenario 1, where they are looking for a component or a furniture which doesn't fall within NAADI's product spectrum. They will generally use custom model to model it up and use it in their project. Second scenario, where that component falls within the NAADI spectrum, but it is not cataloged yet in our product. Scenario 3, where the designer is looking for a door style which is not available in our catalog yet, so they will use custom model to design their custom shutters in their project. So now addressing these scenarios, in this project I have created three important components here. First one here is this partition. Partition generally doesn't fall within NAADI spectrum of products, but if you have a custom partition design, then you can design it using custom model. That way, can you see, I have designed this partition here using custom model. Scenario 2, where I have designed a custom cabinet here which is not currently available in NAADI's catalog. So I have used custom model to design it. Third scenario, where I have used custom model to design a custom shutter. So now if you like to generate the 3D modeling for any of these three scenarios, you can generate it similar to your conventional method using your construction drawing, or if it falls under your scenario 3 where you designed the shutter and you want the 2D of that custom shutter in your closet room drawing, that is also feasible. First, let's just focus on your scenario 1 and 2. For that, you can just place your cursor on this drawing and schedule. It will open up a drop down and there you will see your first type of drawing, which is your construction drawing. Click it and this will open up your construction drawing edit window where your 2Ds for your custom models will be visible. So now can you see in the plan view, you can precisely see your custom model components. Not only that, it will be visible in your furniture size and it will be visible in your elevation index as well. And now using this elevation index, if I would like to see this custom model in my elevation, you can just adjust the range of this elevation tag, and once that is done, just click on view elevation. And now can you see your custom model is precisely visible in your 2D. In default, custom model will have a green line and a white background color so that it will be easy for you to differentiate it. So let me just show you the elevation of this TV unit here. So just click it, click on view elevation. Here can you see this entire component along with this cabinet was designed completely in custom model and now it is visible. If you like to look at the 2D line drawing for your wardrobe shutters, that is also precisely feasible. You can just go to elevation index in your construction drawing, select the specific elevation, click on view elevation. Your custom model shutter design will be visible in your 2Ds. And not only in your construction drawing, custom model components will be visible in your custom furniture drawings too. So for example, if I just go to my closet catalog here, now place my cursor on this drawings and schedule, and now you will see the third drawing option, which is custom furniture drawing. Click it, then just go for room drawing, closet, it generate drawing, and now it will ask you to select the room for which you would like to generate the room drawings. In my case here, this is my walk-in wardrobe. So let me just select that space, click on generate drawing. So can you see here, your 2Ds for the custom model is also visible in your room drawing. Not only in your elevation, it would also be visible in your plan too. Your one condition is that this 2D for this custom model shutter not only be visible in your plan and in your external elevation, this will also be visible in the internal elevation of this. So in this scenario, if you feel like you don't need the 2D line drawing of this in the internal elevation of this cabinet, click on this custom model shutter and it will open up a floating window, right? In this, you will see a third option named hide, shortcut is H or control H. Click it and now the 2D drawing for that custom shutter will be hidden. And now we can precisely look at the internal elevation of the cabinet and the external elevation of the cabinet. Another thing which you should note is that unlike your catalog components, auto dimension or auto annotation won't be added for your custom models. So now can you see here, all your catalog component in default comes with a dimension, right? It auto adds the dimension. but that is not the case for your custom model components. In those cases, you don't need to worry. In your edit window under dimension, you will see different types of dimension. So just like your conventional CAD tool, you can just select a dimension type and you can manually add the dimensions for your custom models. Pick the endpoints here like your conventional CAD and you can mark its respective dimensions. Same scenario applies for your annotations too. Just click on text, add a text or a leader. And once your drawing is ready, you can either download it as PDF, JPEG or a CAD. Line drawing for all the custom models will be visible in your downloaded drawings too. Can you see here? Your custom model 2Ds are visible in your downloaded PDF document. Now let me do the same process with CAD download. So now can you see here? Your custom model 2D drawings are visible and available for your CAD download too. So this is how you should be able to generate 2D drawings for your custom model components, either using your construction drawing or in your custom furniture drawing.